My dear students, today in this video we are going to do some interesting patterns. So in case of division there are so many patterns. So some are given in your book. So you see page number 84. So here you see as the dividend increases the quotient also increases. So here one pattern is given. So here it is said that the dividend, the red color, these are the dividends and these are the quotients. So here it is said that if the dividend is increasing then our quotient is also increasing. So see 8 divided by 4 2, 80 divided by 4 20, 800 divided by 4 200, 8000 divided by 4 2000. So that means when our dividend is increasing our quotient is also increasing, right? So here you can see a pattern, right? So here by using this pattern we will solve this. Okay, so here you see 16 divided by 8, right? So in 8 times table how many times it will go? 2 times. So you have to write 2 here. Okay, then you see 8 and here it is 160. So as you can see here, first of all it was 8 and here it was 2. Then again one 0 is added, here also one more 0. So here also same case, you see 16 8, 16 8, one more 0 is added. So by following the pattern without doing actual calculation we can follow the pattern and we can solve the problem. And when you will go with the actual solution then also you will get the same answers. Okay, similarly if you go with this, so 24 divided by 12, so 12 2 ja 24. So here also it will be 2. Then again 240, so it will be what? 20, right? Here it is again 2 more zeros are added, so 2 more 0, and here also what? 3 more zeros. So in this way you can solve this pattern. Now you see the next one. As the divisor increases the quotient decreases. Okay, so here what is increasing? Divisor. That means with what we are dividing. So you can see the red color, these are the divisors. When divisors are increasing then our quotient is decreasing. Okay, so by following this pattern we will solve this. So here you see 6000 divided by 3. So if we divide it we will get 2000. Okay, now you see it become 30. Okay, then here also one more 0 will reduce, so it will become 200 like this, and here it will become 20 and here it will become 2. Okay, so I think you can solve this, right students? So you try this one, I will not do here. Now you see this one. Stop calculating when you see a pattern. That means first 1-2 step we will do. Okay, and after that when we will see one pattern then we can we can stop calculating and we can write the answer directly. Okay, so let's do it. So 9 minus 1, that means your 8, right? So 8 divided by 8 will be what? 1. All right, now 98 minus 2, so that means it will be 96, right? So 96 divided by 8, so we will get 12, right? You can do also. Okay, 98 minus 2 if we do, that one will be 96 divided by 8. So 8 1 ja 8, then it will be, if we write 8 here, so it will be 16, right? So 8 2 ja 16, so you get the quotient. Okay, so in this way I divided this. Now you see 987 minus 3 divided by 8. So first of all we will do minus. So if we do minus we'll get 984. 984 divided by 8. So if you divide it you will get 123. Okay, so now you see we have already done 3 steps. So here you see first case 1, here 1 and then 2, here 1 2 3. So probably the next pattern it will be this one, right? So you check, I am doing this one without calculating, so you check this one after subtracting and dividing whether you are getting this or not. And by following this similar pattern, this one will be this. Okay, this one will be this one. Okay, so you see without doing actual calculation I am doing this. That means when I see a pattern then it will follow the same pattern. Okay students, so you solve this one and also check whether I am doing this one is correct or not. Okay, and also do this one. Now let's do the other part. And students, here one more challenge is also there, so you can try this one as well. Okay, Now let's do the another topic, dividing with money. So already you know how to multiply with money, how to add, subtract, right? So now we will learn how to divide with money. So actually in case of multiplication, we have learned when we have to find out for more numbers than we do multiplication, right? Suppose cost of one item is given, then we can find out for more items, right? But in case of division, always we find unit price. Okay, unit price means, you can see here I have written, when you find the price for one, it is called the unit price. That means suppose 5 items cost is given, so from that you have to find out one item's price, so that is called your unit price. So let's take one example. So you can see here the question 4.6. so here you see, find the unit price for each. Okay, unit price for each, that means we have to find out the price for one item. Okay, so a number is given that 3 balls cost rupees 101.25. okay, that means 101 rupees 25 paise. So now we have to find out for what, 3 balls. So how can we do this? So no need to worry about that point is there, how I can do now. Okay, no need to worry about that. Same procedure how we do division, like that only we will follow. Okay, so here 3 balls cost this much rupees. So what will be the cost of 1? So for that we have to divide this number with 3. So let's do division. 101.25. Similarly I have written here. Okay, now with 3 you have to divide. Okay, so first one cannot consider, 1 is less than 3. Now I have to consider 2 digit. So quotient will start from here. So 3 3 ja 9. Now 1 will be the remainder and this one will come down. Now again 11 you are getting, right? So again it will go 3 times, because 3 4 ja 12. So again 9. Now 2. So now students, you see this here we are getting 2, so this number will also come here, right? We will see points later on, but now we will focus on the division only. So now you see 2 will come. So now how many times it will go? 7 times, because 3 7 ja 21. Now 1, and again this 5 is remaining, so this one will also come 5. Okay, students, no need to give this arrow mark. I am just showing you here for better understanding, but when you are doing it in copy, no need to give this arrow mark. Okay, now you see 15. So you know that 15 3 5 ja 15. So you get the remainder as 0. So we get our quotient. Now we have to place the point. Okay, so where will be the point? So here you see in dividend, where is the point? From right hand side, 2 digit and then point. So here also you have to follow the same pattern and you have to put the point. Okay, so that means now you can write, therefore cost of each ball is equal to rupees how much? 33.75. Okay, or you can write unit price for ball is this much. Okay students, so I think you can do the rest of the numbers. Also students, if point is there, no need to worry. Okay, same procedure you have to follow and you have to solve the division. Okay, no need to worry about. Now let's do question number 2. So students, here from question number 1, I am doing only A number. So there are B, C and D number. So that one you try. I think you can do it. Same procedure here. Just the numbers will change, and if point is there, so after solving you have to see where the point is given in the dividend. Similarly, we will put in the quotient as well. Now number 2 question is there. Divide the following. So some rupees are given, so here also I will do okay, let's do B number. Okay, it is given 224 divided by 4. Okay, so it's very easy. Here you have to write and then you have to divide it with 4. So 4 5 ja 20 and here 24, so 6 ja, right? 4 6 ja 24. So you get your quotient, right? So in this way you can write, simply like this way you can write. Okay, let's do one more. D number, there are point. Okay, 458 divided by 458.50 divided by 7. So let's do it. So whatever the question is given, I have to write it first. Then let's consider this one. So 4 6 ja, right? Because 7 6 ja, because 7 7 ja 49, but we want 45. So 7 6 ja 42. Now 3. So this 8 will come here. So it will go 7 times. 5 times. Okay, 5 times, because 7 5 ja 35. Okay, here 3. Then this 5 will come. Then you see 5 times 35, it's going, right? Now you are getting 0. But you see this 0 is remaining. That means this 0 will come here, right, students? And as I told you already, one's place cannot be empty. So to get 0, we have to put 0 here. Then we get 0. And lastly, the remainder become 0. Okay. Now you see point is here. From right hand side after 2 digit, okay, in the dividend. So in case of quotient also, we have to place it here, okay, right hand side after 2 digit, okay. So the answer you are getting is 65.50. Okay, this one is 5. Question number 3, you can see a number. Answer the following. If 7 ice cream cost rupees 129.50, what does 1 ice cream cost? Okay, so 1 ice cream cost, that means here you have to find out unit price, right, students? So what you have to do? Simply you have to write cost of 7 ice cream, that is already given in the question. So you have to write that rupees 129.50. Okay, and then you have to find out for 1 ice cream. So students have to write it like this way. So 1 ice cream you have to divide. Okay, so here I don't have space, so that's why I have written the next line. So here we have divided. Okay, so here also same case, you see 35 we are getting, then 0. So one's place cannot be empty, so I put 0 over here. So at last you have to write, therefore cost of 1 ice cream is rupees 18.50. Okay students, so in this way you have to find out the price of one item. Okay, so in this way B and C number is also same. Okay, so just numbers are different. So B number is given for 9 crayon boxes, cost is given, so you have to find for 1. So you have to divide 229.50 divided by 9. Okay, then you can get for 1 crayon box. Okay, cost for 1 crayon box. So in this way you just do B and C number. Okay, so these are your homework. Okay, from question number 1, this one B, C and D. Okay, and here I have done this one and this one. So these two you have to do, and from here these 2 questions. Okay, so this is a very new thing, and procedure is same, but if in case you are getting points, so how you have to do, so I think you will enjoy it while doing. So you do it, complete your work, and you can send it to me. Okay, thank you.